Hello, everyone. This is a final reminder for the weekend workshop, Circling into Dialogos. It's going to take place this weekend, October 1st and October 2nd. It'll be led by myself, Guy Senstock, and Christopher Masterpietro. We will take you through an entire program. We'll teach you meditation, a meditative practice, a contemplative practice. We will teach you some basic circling techniques, some reciprocal opening techniques, and then we will lead you into philosophical fellowship and then into dialectic, into Dialogos. Some of you have been following my work. You know this is a focal point for so much. And as always, I don't want to just do the theory. I want to try and develop the ecology of practices that can be transformative for people. This is still very much a work in progress, but this will be our fourth workshop. We keep improving. We keep getting amazing feedback. And it would be very helpful if people would come and participate, and they would find it, I promise you, beneficial, helpful. I've talked to so many people who have come to these workshops, and then they go back into their lives, and they get together with a group of people, and they continue to practice dialectic into Dialogos. They continue to practice philosophical fellowship. They continue to practice the meditative centering, the Neoplatonic contemplation. Did some of that Neoplatonic contemplation recently at the Thunder Bay Conference. It was very well received. This is an opportunity to really enter into an ecology of practices that will awaken in you a new sense of intimacy with yourself, other people in the world, and even with the very processes by which we individually and collectively make sense. And then through that, with being itself, please consider coming and joining us this weekend. All the relevant information will be found in the notes for this video. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you at Circling into Dialogos.